Welcome back, everybody, to Brighten-Up-Sunshine, where every day is a new beginning. Today, we're going to dive into 50 everyday household items that you should never throw away because they can actually save you money and serve a brand new purpose. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1 item you should not throw away: the glass jars. Store dry goods. You can make DIY candles or use as drinking glasses. Number 2, egg cartons. They're great for seed starters or organizing small items. Number 3, old coffee grounds. You could use these as plant fertilizers or natural deodorizers. Number 4, banana peels. You know that you can use those to polish silverware or fertilize plants. Number 5, used tea bags, because you can use them to reduce eye puffiness or freshen up your fridge. Okay, let's go to the bathroom and the personal care items, because there's a lot that gets thrown away that we could actually save and repurpose. Like number 6, toothbrushes. Clean small crevices and great for cleaning the grout lines. Number 7, empty toilet paper rolls. Organizing cables and cords neatly right inside of them. You can even cover them with a special paint or a little decoupage or something to make them cute looking. Number 8, soap slivers. Do you know you can melt and remold into new soap bars? And number 9, razor blade covers. You could reuse these for protecting small, sharp objects in storage. And number 10, old towels. You can cut those things into rags and turn them into reusable cleaning wipes. Let's take a look at the clothing and the fabric that we often throw away, like the old t-shirts. Keep those. Make reusable shopping bags or cleaning rags. Number 12, jeans. Repurpose into tote bags, patches, or placemats. Number 13, single socks. You can use these as dusters or to protect valuables in storage. Number 14, worn out shoes. Convert into planters for small flowers. Number 15, broken zippers. Salvage for future sewing projects. Okay, let's talk about home and organization. Number 16, shoe boxes. Use these for drawer organizers or craft storage. Number 17, old calendars. Frame beautiful images as wall art, and you can change them for seasons. Number 18, cereal boxes. Turn into magazine holders or drawer dividers. 19, paper towels. Now, these paper towel rolls store plastic bags or wrap string and lights neatly. For like Christmas time, if you use the paper towel racks or the paper towel rolls, then you can just store the plastic bags inside them, or wrap strings or lights neatly around them. So make sure not to throw those out. And number 20 is the glass bottles. You can create DIY home decor or soap dispensers out of glass bottles. And let's take a look at the outdoor and garden stuff. Used coffee filters. You could line the plant pots to prevent soil from leaking. Number 22, eggshells. You can crush and sprinkle these eggshells in gardens as natural fertilizer. And 23, orange pills. Did you know that these orange pills deter, they get rid of pests in your garden? So check that out. Number 24, wine corks. Use as mulch or DIY plant markers. And number 25, plastic lids, because they can protect plants from slugs by placing them around the base. And let's take a look at the kids and crafts section of our house. How about those crayon stubs? Did you know you could melt them into new crayons? Or bubble wrap you could use for kids' crafts or stress relief? Or 28 CD cases. Turn them into picture frames or mini whiteboards. 29, puzzle pieces, craft jewelry or picture frames. And 30, scrap paper, perfect for the DIY greeting cards or shopping list. And of course, we can go to the office and stationery section. Look at the old notebooks. For 31, save those because you could reuse blank pages for note-taking. And 32, broken pencils. Sharpen the other side and keep using them. And what about 33, binder clips? Organize cables and wires with these. 34, rubber bands, used to open stubborn jars. Or empty pens, store needles or small items inside of them so you don't get stuck when you're going through the sewing area. And let's go on to miscellaneous everyday items. Old candles, melt them down and make new candles. Used dryer sheets, 37. Dust surfaces or freshen up drawers. 38, broken umbrellas. Use the fabric for tote bags or waterproof covers. 39, old keys turn into creative keychains or art. Number 40, expired spices. You could use these for homemade non-toxic paint or air fresheners. And number 41, for the technological area with the electronics, save the old phone chargers because you could keep as backup for when you travel. Number 42, used gift cards. Use them as scrapers for like getting ice off the window or cleaners or DIY bookmarks. And 43, broken headphones. Repurpose the wires for arts and crafts. Number 44, old remote controls. You could salvage the buttons for other remotes. Number 45, dead batteries. Store separately and recycle properly. So the dead batteries, we don't actually keep, but you do store them separately and recycle properly instead of just throwing them in the garbage. Number 10 section we're going to look at is the seasonal and holiday decor. So number 46 is wrapping paper and wrapping scraps. So use these for scrapbooking or making gift tags. Number 47, Christmas light bulbs. You could repurpose into ornaments. Old greeting cards for 48, cut into new cards or tags. Number 49, Easter egg shells. You could crush these in the garden for mulch or natural dye. And Halloween costumes. You could save for DIY projects or you could simply donate. So there you have it, guys. 50 amazing ways to save and repurpose household items. And which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, the sun always rises. See you guys in the next video.